Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raven Janelle, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tutorial of how I did this half up, half down frontal install. And like always, all the products that I use will be linked in my description below, so make sure you check it out after the video. So I'm starting first with the wig cap. I'm going to cut the ear tabs out, and then I'm going to spray some lace bond to basically melt the wig cap into her hairline. Now I'm going to blow dry it to make sure that it's completely dry before I start cutting the wig cap. So now I'm going to start cutting the wig cap. I would suggest that you cut in the middle first and then cut the ear tabs to avoid it pulling back up on the sides. But I just went back in and sprayed more lace bond to make sure that it laid flat on the hairline. So now that the excess wig cap is cut, I'm going to begin putting a foundation the same shade as her skin tone to give it a bald cap effect. So now I'm just putting the wig on her head to make sure that the lace covers all of the wig cap and that there's not any excess wig cap that I should cut before I begin gluing the lace down. I'm also going to add that same foundation to the lace of the wig, and then I'm going to spray it with some Got2b and blow dry it to make sure that it's dry. So now I'm gonna cut out her ear tabs. Basically, I'm gonna part out the hair that covers her ear, and I'm basically just gonna cut it so that the wig won't be on her ears. So now I'm going to fold back the lace of the wig, and I'm going to use a makeup wipe to just wipe down her forehead to make sure I got all the excess makeup and oils off her skin before I start applying the glue. So now I'm going to start applying the glue. I'm just going to put a line around her hairline, and basically I'm going to smooth it out about an inch thin. And then I'm going to make sure each layer is dry before I add a new layer. And in total, I did 3 layers. Also, you want to make sure that the first layer is a little overlapping from the wig cap so that it will create a strong enough hold. Before you start adding in the next layer, you want to make sure that the previous layer is clear because that indicates that it's completely dry. So now that all the glue is dry, I'm going to begin laying the lace down. First, I cut 2 slits into the lace so that it will be easier to work with one section at a time. And then I'm going to take my comb and basically push the lace into the glue to make sure that it melts and looks like it's coming from her scalp. So now I'm going to tie this elastic band around her hairline to make sure that the lace completely melts into the glue. Now I'm going to begin blow drying the wig. So now that I blow dried all the hair, I'm going to go back in and spray some lace bond along her hairline to give it that extra hold and make sure that it's completely melted into her skin. So now I'm going to begin parting out where the ponytail would be, and I'm going to use a wax stick and a hot comb to make sure that the hair is all going in one direction into the ponytail. She also wanted like 2 little bangs in the front, so that's what I'm parting out and sectioning now. And for the rest of the video, it's just going to be me styling with curls, the ponytail, the little bangs, and also some baby hairs. I also wanted to say, to cover up the rubber bands for the ponytail, I basically took a strand from the ponytail and sprayed some Got To Be on it, and then I wrapped it around so that it would be seamless and you wouldn't notice the rubber bands. So this is what the final style looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and also subscribe for more content from me. Make sure you follow me on my socials because I'm way more active over there. Also follow my hair page if you want to see more styles that I do. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video.